Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching video lecture on Climate of India. This is second last video of this chapter dear students. I hope you are doing well at your home and the matter you learned in this video lecture is very beneficial for the purpose of your examination. Dear students, distribution of rainfall. After that, we are going to discuss hot weather conditions, cool weather conditions, that means summer days and winter days in India. Okay, so first we deal distribution of rainfall. Let us start, dear students. Distribution of rainfall. I want to discuss from here slide. First and foremost, this is very pertinent question for you. Where you live when southwest monsoon comes? Suppose you live in Bihar. So it is 10th of June. It is 10th of June. This area, we this is the part of Bihar. So 10th of June, monsoon comes each and every year almost in Bihar. Not only Bihar, this line shows Maharashtra, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Bihar. First and foremost days, which state at first monsoon reach 1st of June in Kerala. Not only Kerala, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, all that area. Okay, so you keep in mind this thing. 10th of June is the date monsoon comes in Bihar. Okay, in Motihari also you can say. Okay, now rainfall distribution. That means you can measure your rainfall in centimeter, inches, like that. Okay, and this thing may be asked in your examination as map skill. So dear students, we can deal like that. This is subcontinental report actually, but we are going to deal only India's report. Okay, so dark blue shade line, this is heavy rainfall zone. That means more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. Look at this area. Wait. This is the part of Tiruvananthapuram. This is. So Tiruvananthapuram receives 325 centimeter of rainfall. This is written in a uh, average rainfall zone and only in inches. So you can divide it into 2.45 centimeter, that is more than 200 centimeter. Okay, so your approx value 2.5 if you get, if you take, you get 200 centimeter. So more than 200 centimeter this area, and this is the part of Goa where we receive 300 centimeter of rainfall. If you go above this Goa, you have Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai receives 200 centimeter of rainfall. But you can see here in the northeast state, Arunachal Pradesh, and some part of Assam, and this is the part of Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram. All these parts receives 80 degree 80 inches, that means more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. And you have knowledge about Cherrapunji, the area of Monsiram, and 1250 centimeter of rainfall that area with the Khashi hills. It falls opposite of Khashi hills, and because it is the windward side, and so it receives 1250 degrees centimeter rainfall. Okay, and after the leeward side comes Shillong. So Shillong receives not more than 300 degrees, 300 centimeter rainfall. Okay, and the sky blue color you see here, and this part Gangetic plain you have, and this is the part of Bengal you have, and this is also part of the Odisha, Jharkhand, area of Jharkhand here. This Gangetic plain, that means Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Bengal, Odisha, these states falls under more than 100 centimeter of rainfall, 150. That means between 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. This part take. After that, we have 100 centimeter of rainfall. This is the green set, green set here. We have this is green set, green set. You can also know that. And the central highlands area receive very low amount of rainfall. That is 75. This is the part of 75. This is the part of 75 centimeter of rainfall, 60 centimeter of rainfall. This area. Okay, and this is the part of desert Aravalli mountain range here. So definitely this part is less amount of rainfall, 10 centimeter of rainfall, 15 centimeter of rainfall. But this is the part where less than 50 centimeter of rainfall we receives. In the upper part, this is the part of Leh Ladakh, and this is also very low amount of rainfall. This receives more than not more than 15 centimeter of rainfall. Okay, so this is all about the distribution of rainfall. This is also a figure of rainfall. Need not worry and need not discuss of this. This is data of this is data of 20. This is data up to 2012. But if you want to receive that year is a dry year, so this is all about conditions of rain deficit. Okay, this shows rain deficit, so need not mention here. Now, as I told you, Western Ghat is the part more than 200 centimeters. Thiruvananthapuram, I can say 325 centimeter, Goa 300, Mumbai 200, Chennai because it falls leeward side, so 40 to 50 centimeter of rainfall. In the Assam region, we have Cherrapunji, Shillong. Cherrapunji receives 1250 centimeter of rainfall. Scanty rain, moderate rainfall we have Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, MP, Eastern Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Northern Andhra Pradesh. And a scanty rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. We have Upper Ganga Valley, Eastern Rajasthan part, and Eastern Rajasthan part. That means windward side of the Aravalli mountain range. Okay, and the part of the Punjab, Haryana, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, and the last part of Deccan Plateau. Desert and semi-desert area, you know that northwestern part of the Rajasthan and the Kutch part, which is falls in a rain shadow zone, Haryana, Punjab part, South Punjab part, and the northern part of the Kashmir is desert part, arid zone here. So it receives very bad amount of rainfall, less than 15 centimeter of rainfall. Now, time come to discuss season, weather conditions of hot conditions and cold conditions. You know that in India, March to June, mid June is the summer season. Okay, so as you know that this is the figure here, and this is 8 degree and 4 minute. This is the part of 8 degree 4 minute Kanyakumari, So this is very near to equator, 0 degree, and you know that in the month of March, sun is overhead at equator. So in that conditions, there is a very high temperature, low pressure, and conventional current. We have ITCZ, conventional current, and doldrum. This after that, sun's projection towards northern hemisphere. So definitely summer season comes in northern hemisphere. So you know that India falls in a northern hemisphere. So due to this, this is the part where we receive hot weather conditions. In a hot weather conditions, we have in the June month of June, definitely sun heading towards Tropic of Cancer vertically. So entire India receives summer days, and you know that maximum temperature in the coastal plain, because it is moderate type of climatic zone, so 35 degrees Celsius. But most part of the northern plain, the maximum temperature exceeds 40 degrees Celsius. And you know that Thar desert part of the Rajasthan exceed 45 degrees Celsius temperatures. Barmer, Jaisalmer, Ganganagar area receives. But the high altitude, you know that in the high altitude there is the low pressure and low temperature zone. So such Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling, Mussoorie, these are the cool place, because due to you know that 6 degrees Celsius of every ascent, temperature ascent of the 100 meters temperature drop. Okay, so this is it. So weather conditions, you know that very excessive heat will tank almost dry, and definitely rivers shrinks to narrow. And you know that dusty storms in the part of common parts in the Haryana, UP, Punjab, and you know that this sorts of dusty storm is called northwester, because it falls in north part of the India, and it is also called in Lu in your Bihar also it is. Okay, so West Bengal and Assam, this condition is called in West Bengal Kal Vaishakhi, and in Assam Bardochila. Okay, so during the month of April and May, there's a little rainfall in Assam. This is good for tea. So and in the tea, rice production and jute production. Also in the South India pre-monsoonic condition, that means in the month of April and May, due to this rainfall, pre-monsoonic condition rainfall, mango ripened earlier, and there is a good deal of yielding in cherry, coffee, so this is called cherry blossom. This is also called mango sawa, coffee sawa, all that. Okay. Cold season, you know that after September, sun is vertical on equator. After that, it heading towards Tropic of Cancer in the month of December. Sun projection overhead, sun overhead the Tropic of Cancer. So in the southern hemisphere, almost reach of sun is in southern hemisphere. That's why in the northern hemisphere we have slight rays of sun. So definitely temperature depleted, temperature decreases. So due to latitude, temperature general decreases from south to north. So average temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, very low at high altitude, and the northern part of the India falls, snowfalls you can see. And January is the coldest month. You know that. What is the weather condition? So weather condition definitely clear sky, fine cool weather, and high northerly winds, low humidity, and characteristics of the season. Pressure definitely, because of low temperature there is a high pressure zone. Okay, due to Himalaya and subsidiary high pressure area develops over the plain in the northwest winds. So winds blow towards northeast direction. So this is the time where we can say winds blow northeast direction. So it is called, and before October, after October and November, we have winter rainfall of this northeast direction of wind. So now we can also say northeast direction of wind. This is all about your distribution of temperature and cold weather condition and hot weather condition. The next video lecture, we are going to discuss very important questions for the examination purpose, data handling sorts of question, comparing between two stations, temperature, pressure, and all that things. So, dear student, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much for being with us.